Hello everyone and welcome back to Babs Hockey and Chalk Talk. Today, continuing on the topic of creating offense, the concept I'd like to work on here is getting the puck to cross the Royal Road. One of the top hockey analytics, working with, I believe it's with the New York Rangers and with some, I'm sure he's with lots of other teams now, came up with something called the Royal Road analysis. And they found that when you cross this puck across the midline, increases your chances. I can't remember exactly what the number was, but increases your chance of scoring significantly. So I decided to do similar analytics, and I found there was a 20% increase in scoring when you move the puck across the midline and shot it versus just keeping the puck on the same side and shooting it on net. So what I propose here, one technique to help you move the puck across this midline is the behind the net release. So again, you see a lot of talk of the rush and being able to create triangles inside the zone. Another technique that I like is working the puck behind the net. What this does here, when you work the puck behind the net, so say you have a player right here, puck gets worked behind the net and you move this way, it forces the goalie to rotate his head. Once the goalie has to move his head from this side here, over here, and push across, he loses vision of everything over here. So again, I talked about in the last video, soft area passes and beating your man back to the net. So here, what I'm talking about when you use the behind the net, something again you can work on here with your other teammates is you can cycle this puck back here or indirect it off the boards, have your second guy pull it off here, and then for you right here, this wall guy that first released it, beat your guy back to the net. Because now this puck crosses that midline and this player can either find a second man, walk out and jam, or again make this play back across towards you. So again, working on being able to work these different options and working them quick is going to allow you to increase your offense. So again, you have three options here. You can have a defenseman, or you can have another line mate right here. Again, it's not that much fun for the goalies, but if you do it quick, it's going to be beneficial for your goalies as well. So again, here, you just work this puck quick. Don't hold on to it forever here. You want to attack this side, either make a quick play for the shot, jam this puck here, or make this quick backdoor pass off the walkout and jam that puck back in. The biggest thing is being able to get this done quick and efficiently. This player right here, you don't always have to rim it. If you have a little time and space, use that indirect off the boards, because it's going to make it easier for this forward to block this player out and pick it up quickly and then make a play. Okay? Thanks again for tuning back into Babs Hockey. Hopefully this helps you. Again, really work on using that behind the net when working to try and cross this Royal Road, because again, that's going to increase your chances of scoring by 20% versus staying on that same side. Good luck, and look forward to helping you get to the next level.